If your school is linked to the results, they will appear on your request verification page under the Result Verification Request tab for your review. Ensure you thoroughly review the details of the result before proceeding with verification. Here are some key factors to consider. Was the result issued by your school? Is it authentic? Does the information on the result match your records? Is the name on the result identical to the student's profile name on Greynote? If all these criteria are met, it's safe to proceed with verification. Once verified, your school's name will be appended to the student's educational history on Greynote, even if the student is no longer enrolled in your institution. This serves as proof that the student was previously a student at your school.